Hello all, welcome back in our science class. Today we shall learn the safety rules while traveling in a vehicle, first aid, internet safety, etc. Children, do you love to travel different places? Yes, I too love to travel different places. There are few safety rules that need to be followed while traveling in the private transport such as car or in a public transport such as bus, train or an airplane. What are the safety rules that we need to follow? Wear a seat belt while traveling in a car. Do not play loud music inside the car. This may disturb the person who is driving the vehicle. And if the driver himself or herself is not following the traffic rules, we should ask him to follow the traffic rules. While traveling, do not put your hand outside the windows of the car or other transport. We should not distract the driver by talking to him continuously or asking him few questions. He may get distracted and he may lose the control on the vehicle. If you are going in the school bus, we should not get up and move around in the bus. If the brakes are applied suddenly, you may fall. Okay. Always listen to the instructions given by the bus attendant. Bus attendant means we can say a conductor. Offer seats to the elderly or sick people in a bus or a train if you are traveling in private bus or in a train. Do not push others while entering or leaving a public transport. When we have to get down from the bus, we should not push others while getting out. Whenever we have to enter in the bus, we should stand in a queue and we have to wait for our turn. And we should read all the signals carefully. What is the internet safety? We shall learn it now. Remember that you are not allowed to use social media such as Facebook or Twitter until you become 14 years. Do not give any kind of personal information on the internet like the bank details. Do not accept online requests of strangers. If any messages on the internet it makes you uncomfortable, so immediately you have to inform your parents and your parents will take the necessary action against it. Discuss and mutually decide with your parents about the time of day that you can be online and appropriate sites to visit. Now your online classes are going on, so the whole day you should not be online. Okay, you have to discuss the time with your parents and that time only you should use the phone. Other time let your parent use it. And you should not share your password or pin with anyone other than your parents. Check with your parents before downloading or installing any software that could possibly hurt your computer. Use the appropriate sites for installing any new app like any game app or if any app for studying or any other app that you wanted to install in your mobile. First aid. What is first aid? First aid is the immediate help given to a person who gets injured or falls ill. Why should we give first aid? If we give first aid to any injured person, so the chances of that person's recovery it increases. It can be given before proper medical help arrives and it can save a person's life too. Though first aid can save a person's life, but we should never try to give first aid to anybody if you have not learned how to do it. You should not apply it on anyone. If someone gets injured or falls ill, you should call immediately any adult around you. Make the person sit comfortably or lie down. Try to calm him or her down, because if suddenly any person gets injured, it becomes panic. So we have to try to calm him or her down. And we should not allow people to let crowd there. Okay, we should not let people crowd around the injured person. Do not move a person if that person is seriously injured. He may have broken bones that could be further damaged if you move him. What is the first aid for minor cuts and wounds? While cutting vegetables in the kitchen, the person may get cuts or wounds. So what we have to do? We have to wash these small cuts or wounds with cool water, and we should apply an antiseptic lotion or cream over it. If there is bleeding, we have to tie properly bandage, and that bandage will stop the flow of blood. Why should we tie a bandage? So that it will not allow the dirt or flies to come in contact with the wound, and as it might cause infection, if we tie a bandage around it, it may stop. What is the first aid for burns? Minor burns should be washed with cool water, and antiseptic lotion should always be applied on the burn. In case of serious burns, we have to call the doctor immediately. Is there any first aid for insect bites? Yes, it is there. Insect bites can be treated by applying ice on the sting or by pouring cold water over it. Application of calamine lotion will also soothe the affected area. If a bee bites us, we can apply calamine lotion on the affected area. Some people have allergy to insect stings. So what should we do in such cases? If the person is allergic to insect stings, they develop rash that can get serious. So such people must be taken to a doctor immediately. What first aid we should give? We should apply if someone faints. We should make the person lie down. The head should be lower than the body so that the brain gets extra blood supply and oxygen. There should be a good supply of fresh air. Do not crowd around the person who has fainted. We can call for a doctor if the person does not recover his or her consciousness soon. Children, in this way we have learnt the internet safety, first aid rules, etc. Stay happy and healthy. Follow the safety rules wherever you go. And thank you for watching the video.